Imagine waking up each morning with clear energy, sharper focus, and blood sugar levels so steady you barely think about them without increasing your medication. I'm Dr. Emily Carter, and in today's video for Senior Well Hub, I'll share 10 vegetables ranked from 10 to 1 that have been scientifically shown to help you manage blood sugar naturally. Plus, I'll bust a few common myths about veggies and reveal which higher carb options you need to monitor. Stay with me, because mid-video I'll tell you about Mr. Allen from Ohio, who saw real results in just 4 weeks. Why non-starchy vegetables matter. As we age, our bodies become more sensitive to blood sugar swings. Sharp spikes force the pancreas to churn out high doses of insulin, which over time can lead to insulin resistance, weight gain, and even cardiovascular stress. Non-starchy vegetables combat these swings 3 ways. Low glycemic impact. Their carbs break down slowly, so glucose enters your bloodstream gradually. High fiber and water. Soluble fiber forms a gentle gel that slows digestion. Water dilutes glucose and supports kidney clearance. Anti-inflammatory phytonutrients. Compounds like sulforaphane, anthocyanins, and nitrates reduce oxidative stress and improve insulin sensitivity. National Institute on Aging. 10 cucumbers. Why? 95% water for hydration and kidney filtration. Cucurbitacins and lignans slow carb digestion. Study. Journal of Plant Foods for Human Nutrition found cucumber extract lowered post-meal glucose in diabetic rats significantly. Tip. Slice into salads or blend with mint, lemon, and water for a refreshing daily drink. 9 Arugula. Why? Virtually no carbs, rich in vitamin K, bone health, and nitrates, blood flow. Glucosinolates fight inflammation and protect nerves. Tip. Top whole grain toast with a handful of peppery arugula, a drizzle of olive oil, and sliced almonds. 8 Purple cabbage. Why? Anthocyanins give color and powerful antioxidant action that improves insulin sensitivity and lowers oxidative stress. High in vitamins C and K. Tip. Lightly saute shredded purple cabbage with garlic and apple cider vinegar for a crunchy side dish. 7 Cauliflower. Why? Fiber and choline support digestion and healthy liver fat metabolism. Glucosinolates detoxify and reduce inflammation. Swap. Use cauliflower rice instead of white rice or mashed potatoes to slash carbs by up to 80%. 6 Tomatoes. Why? Low glycemic load. Packed with lycopene and vitamin C antioxidants that protect cells and support healthy blood vessels. Tip. Roast cherry tomatoes with rosemary as a flavor-packed, nutrient-dense side. Now, let me introduce you to Mr. Robert Allen, age 68, a retired teacher from Columbus, Ohio. In a feature by ABC News, March 2024, Mr. Allen began each morning with a green smoothie, spinach, Greek yogurt, a handful of berries, and water. 4 weeks later, his fasting blood sugar dropped from 140 mg/dl to 115 mg/dl, and he reported more sustained energy for his daily garden walks. That's the power of tiny changes. Overlay. Source: ABC News Health, March 2024. The top 5. 5 carrots. Why? Low GI despite natural sweetness, high in soluble fiber and beta-carotene, eye health. Helps prevent diabetic retinopathy. Tip: grate raw carrots into oatmeal or salads for extra fiber and color. 4 avocados. Why? Monounsaturated fats improve insulin sensitivity. Fiber slows sugar absorption, helps maintain healthy cholesterol balance. Tip: mash half an avocado on whole grain toast or blend into smoothies for creaminess. 3. Spinach. Why? GI of just 15, virtually no blood sugar impact. Rich in magnesium, insulin regulation, alpha-lipoic acid, nerve protection, nitrates, vasodilation, lutein/zeaxanthin, eye health, and chlorophyll detox. Tip: start your day with a green sunrise smoothie. 1 cup spinach, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup berries, water, and a pinch of cinnamon. 2. Brussels sprouts. Why? High fiber and alpha-lipoic acid support insulin sensitivity and liver health. Antioxidants protect blood vessels. Tip: have and roast Brussels sprouts with olive oil and a sprinkle of sea salt for a crispy side. 1. Broccoli. Why? Sulforaphane in broccoli enhances insulin sensitivity almost as well as some medications. Science Translational Medicine. Vitamin C and fiber protect against inflammation and support stable blood sugar. Tip: lightly steam broccoli to preserve sulforaphane, then toss with garlic and lemon zest. Even healthy veggies can spike sugar if eaten in large quantities. Watch your portions of peas, butternut squash, parsnips, corn, and potatoes. When you do enjoy them, pair with lean protein or a healthy fat like grilled chicken or a drizzle of olive oil to blunt their impact. Common dietary mistakes and fixes. Mistake fix: skipping breakfast. Begin with a veggie-rich omelet or smoothie to stabilize glucose early. Overindulging in fruit juices. Choose whole veggies. Juices lack fiber and spike sugar quickly. Frying in heavy batters. Roast, steam, or sauté lightly in olive oil instead. Neglecting portion control on starchy veg. Measure to 1/2 cup cooked and combine with protein or healthy fat. Drinking flavored coffee with syrups. Switch to black coffee or add cinnamon and unsweetened almond milk. Expert advice. According to Dr. Linda Moreno, RDN at the National Institute on Aging, seniors should aim for 5 servings of non-starchy vegetables daily. Use the plate method: half your plate vegetables, 1/4 lean protein, and 1/4 whole grains or controlled starch. And remember, hydration is key. Drink water alongside your fiber to support kidney function and digestion. Practical meal ideas. 1 green Mediterranean salad. Arugula, spinach, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, olives, feta, olive oil and lemon. 2 cauliflower rice stir fry. Pulse cauliflower florets into rice, sauté with carrots, peas, small portion, and egg. 3 broccoli avocado soup. Blend steamed broccoli with avocado, low sodium broth, and herbs. 4 purple cabbage wraps. Use cabbage leaves as wraps filled with grilled chicken, tomatoes, and avocado. 5 spinach berry smoothie. Spinach, yogurt, berries, water, cinnamon. Remember Mrs. Jansen, 72, from Berlin? She switched her morning roll for a cabbage omelet and added roasted Brussels sprouts 5 days a week. Her A1C fell from 7.8% to 6.9% in 2 months. Small swaps, big rewards. Which vegetable will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with a friend or family member who could benefit. Stay tuned for our next Senior Well Hub episode, Top Fruits for Balanced Blood Sugar. Until then, take care and let's keep your plate colorful and your blood sugar calm. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your supplement or health routine.